Hi guys, I thought I'd quick pop in and get a little more specific about how I set up my planner. In all of my planners that I sell, I usually have labels in the months and the days and the weeks, and I don't label them. I don't tell you that this is your priorities or that this is breakfast, lunch, dinner, or this is whatever. Because I like you to make your planners, set them up exactly how you want them, right? What works best for you, what brings you joy. But this is what I do. So I thought I'd show you what I do. Um, so I plan my week every Friday for the next week. Okay. And I use these three boxes. I have taken the text tool, and what is the font here? I think it's Avenir. Yeah, it's Avenir. And it says grateful for, excited about, and intend to. And what I do is I've perfectly positioned them the way I like it. And I use my lasso tool. And then what I do every Friday, I copy. And then I just go through a week or a little bit farther out and I put them in. Like that. And that's all I do. It's so easy. And I mean, I know I probably don't need the labels. I like the labels because sometimes I do switch it up a little bit. Anyway, then I go out 7 days or so. And then when I'm done, then I do this and I just kind of put it off to the side. So that way it's ready to lasso for the next 7 days. But that's how I use it. I love things that let me back up here. I truly believe your thoughts do create your reality. And I like to, the first thing I do then every morning when I open my planner after I've done chores and I'm getting ready for the day, I put this in. And those are my first three thoughts of my day. What am I grateful for? What am I excited about? And what do I intend? So that way I'm mentally setting up my day. This is how it's going to go. And I do that every single morning. And honestly, and this is so crazy, but on the weekends, sometimes I'm a little lax on that. I don't always do it on the weekends. And I find I have less great days when I don't use it. Isn't that weird? Well, it's not weird, but anyway, that's how I use it. And in the next video, we're going to take it a step further. I'm going to show you something fun you can do. Okay. So anyway, thanks for watching. And I hope your planner makes you feel happy